Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace front window regulator guys on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX first generation. It should guys work for both vehicles because both of them share the same platform and many of the parts are even interchangeable. Or if not guys, the procedure to actually remove and replace it's about the same. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now guys, if you need to buy a new window regulator, replacement parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below guys there. Okay, it's in the description for your convenience, so please check it out. So this is the window regulator. This one will be okay for the front left door. Front right will be exactly the same way guys. Okay, this is it, so stay with us and we'll show you now okay what needs to be done to remove and replace that window regulator now. So now guys, we need to get a small screwdriver, and right here there is one cap that we'll need to actually pry open. Under that cap there is one screw guys with a fuel head screwdriver. Go ahead and remove that screw. Okay, you can see it got loose. Now don't drop the screw guys. Okay, right there, perfect. What else we need to do guys? We need to get a plastic panel remover tool, and we need to try okay to actually pry that thing out. Okay, it's coming out, you can see, just like that. Now we have to disconnect guys, okay, the wires. Okay, that is for the door lock switch, central locking switch. Right here you press in and pull it out. Okay, you can see just like that. So with that okay, that cover out of the way, now we can continue guys. We'll need to remove okay first the window switch guys. Okay, the whole window switch will need to be disconnected right here. We'll show you guys. This is the first thing, because most of the people will think that the window switch you remove it with the door panel. On this one you have to actually take it apart guys yourself. Okay, it does get stuck a little bit here and there sometimes. Okay, perfect. You can see because all the wiring harness is there guys, and we need to disconnect the wiring harness now before we continue. Press in, disconnect one by one, there as well, one here, perfect, and this one comes out. What else guys we need to do? Okay, we need to get okay a 732 socket guys, and right here there is another bolt hidden in the handle. Okay, you can see where it is. Then guys, we need to go ahead and remove, okay, we have okay, we might need to get a shorter screwdriver. I don't know if this one will fit. Let's see. We have one screw right there with a fuel head screwdriver. It is coming out. Okay, so that's great. One on the bottom. Okay, this one is coming loose as well. Perfect. Now guys, we have underneath a few as well, you can see. Right there too. Quite a few guys screws. I like that design. I mean, it's not pretty, but it holds the door panel in place really good. And I just noticed that Ford here guys, check it out, even didn't paint their door all the way out of the factory. That's crazy. Okay, Torx 20, start looking bit on this one. It's not a Phillips screwdriver, that's a Torx 20. Start looking bit. And now guys, we need to grab that door panel. Okay, pull it out, then go up, come out, and let's see if we have anything else holding. Nothing guys. Let me show you where all the clips are located now. Only two clips. One, two clips here. One on top here guys, and I don't see more. I think this is all guys. Next guys, let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, we need to turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. We actually need to reconnect our window switch. Okay, let's turn the radio off. Reconnect our window switch because we will need to bring the window up or down. Okay, and we will need to open, guys. Okay, these caps right there, one on the left side, one on the right side. And now we start moving the window, guys, up and down until we see, okay, the releases for the windows, guys. Keep going more, a little bit more. Okay, oh, right there. You can see one screw here, one on this side, guys. Now we can go ahead actually and turn the ignition switch off, and we can continue with the next step. So now guys, let me show you. Okay, with the Torx 30 start looking bit, let me focus quick so you can see. Okay, yep, right there. We need to, okay, let's see if we need to get them loose or remove them all the way. I do not remember, guys, okay, exactly how it worked. Okay, just get it loose. And the window, guys, comes loose. So, or take it off the way. No, we need to take it all the way, guys, all the way. Because it's holding. So you can see how it got stuck there a little bit. So you don't need to, guys, remove them all the way. Okay, that's a good thing that you watch the video, guys, because otherwise you can mess your things up. Get it loose just a little bit, okay, about 1 to 2 revolutions, guys. And once you do that, you can grab and pull the window up. Okay, let us show you. You can just bring it up all the way. Okay, just like that. Now you can leave it right here. So you guys have 2 options now. You can bring the window up and tape it to stay there, or remove it. We'll be making a video how to remove it, so that's why, guys, we'll show you how to remove it. But if you want, you can just bring it up and tape it. So in order to remove the window, we will have to turn the ignition back on. And what we'll do, actually, we're going to bring the window down. Okay, down. One person is holding the glass. We'll just bring the regulator down. Okay, now we'll grab, guys, okay, that seal there, pull it out, and what we'll do next, grab that window. It should come in an angle, that glass, and pull it out, guys. This is it, the front window glass out of the forward edge. That's how we, guys, remove it. So now, guys, as I said, we remove the window, but if you want, you can leave it there. In order, guys, to remove that panel here with the regulator, now things get a little more complicated. There is a few clips holding here, guys, so there is a way to slide it in and out. But usually, guys, what we do, we remove the door lock actuator, window regulator, exterior door handle assembly out of the way, and later, guys, okay, we install, okay, the door lock actuator, the exterior door handle assembly. And there is a way to slide that panel on it, but we couldn't find a way to not slide it, and we actually, guys, okay, we learned the hard way in the past, and on this one it's broken too because we actually had to remove it in the past. So you will see, guys, that's why it's a good thing to watch the video and you don't make the same mistakes with you. Okay, 10mm socket now, guys. Let's go ahead and remove a few bolts here and there, and you will see what do we have here. 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts. Awesome. So far, guys, not bad, right? Now we need to see how it's going to come out. Ours is already broken, guys. As I told you, we did break ours. Now let's see, okay, what we need to do here and how we're going to get a little bit of room. We'll, guys, need to remove the door lock actuator now, okay, and the exterior door handle mechanism. So we'll show you guys how to do that. Let's remove the door lock actuator now, okay, and then we'll start with the exterior door handle. So this one is with the Torx. Okay, looks like it's a Torx 25 star looking bit, maybe. Let's see, or if it's a 30. Yep, 25, guys. So now guys, okay, 3 bolts that we need to get loose. Okay, loosen those and remove them. Okay, you can see we're working now on the third one. Those usually guys have thread lockers, so they may not go easy. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead with the exterior door handle release now. So what you need to do now guys, okay, right here when you open the door you have 2 covers. Okay, you're going to have 2 rubber covers. You need to remove one of them guys, the bottom one. Okay, right there. So by removing that cover now, okay, let me show you. Perfect. You're going to have a Torx, I believe it's a 20, Torx 20 star looking bit guys. Okay, here let me show you what it looks like. Okay, just like this one. You're going to get inside, it's more to the left, and start getting it loose guys. Okay, get it loose a little bit more. Okay, don't get it loose all the way. Okay, perfect. Until you guys can pull that, okay, that cover out, just like that. Don't remove it more now. And we're going to see, okay, what else we need to do. Now, I'll slide that handle towards the back, pull out of here, and come out, guys, in an angle. Okay, you can see, just like that. With the exterior door handle already removed, we have one bolt that we need to just get loose. Do not remove it all the way. Get it loose like that, perfect. And that thing guys, okay, it will slide in. Okay, it should slide in. We're going to check in a second exactly to make sure guys that it's going to come out here. Okay, let me see what it looks like, because it's a little bit stuck. Okay, we have that locking mechanism here as well. Actually, I think we need to remove that screw all the way. Simply guys, because we'll need that thing, okay, to actually sink in. Okay, perfect, just like that, otherwise it won't work out. Now, with the door lock actuator released as well, we should be able to grab that window regulator guys. Assembly, okay, the whole assembly, it comes out of there. Okay, now we have the wire guys here, okay, for the for that switch guys. Okay, this is the one that the keypad, the one that okay, you guys punch the code to unlock your door. So go ahead, grab it guys. Okay, ours is not broken. Okay, actually it does have 2 screws guys. I thought this one was broken. I think it was the other one we were working on. So you can see how the whole assembly comes out guys. You cannot just slide it or anything like that. You just have 2 screws holding that, so you won't be able guys, okay, to just remove that panel without removing door lock actuators and everything else as well. Now guys, we're going to remove the window motor, Torx 25 star looking bit. We're going to disconnect one wire there that we have, and we just have 3 screws that we need to remove. One is coming out, then we have 2 more. And now working on the 3rd one. Perfect. Now guys, that window motor will come out and we can get it out of the way. What we have there now, okay, flip it on the other side, and let's see if we need to move the window regulator, okay, up. Okay, so we can release the bolts guys, because from what I can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, okay, and those, and we need to release the clips. I think is with most likely with 8mm socket guys. Now let's go ahead and release the regulator from that panel here. Squish those 2 teeth, push it in. Okay guys, and that whole assembly, okay, went in. Now we're going to get an 8mm socket guys, and we're going to remove the 4 bolts. With 8mm guys, we're going to go ahead and remove, okay, now 2 screws on each arm. Perfect. And 2 on this side. Okay, great guys. I think we don't have anything else holding, to be honest with you. And this is guys your front window regulator, okay, coming out of the door. Okay, you can see guys, okay, just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure it out. Thank you for watching guys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and see you guys next time.